Here's how to make a Motsuun pen in 2 minutes. Here are the pens you will need. 2 Pentel Keityos or color twins. 2 Signos. For my personal Motsuun pen, I actually use Impact RTs instead of Signos because Impact RTs tend to do better on thicker barrels, while Signo tips tend to do better on thinner barrels, like the Waterfall mod. 2 Dr. Grips. 1 Tombow Playcolor. If you don't have a Playcolor 2, you can use a color twin backplug instead. Just note that if you do use a color twin backplug, you're gonna have to wrap it in some Teflon tape so it'll fit the body. 1 Crayola Super Tip and 1 Old Zebra Sarasa. Here are the statistics for the Motsuun pen. The center of gravity is 10.3 centimeters from the backplug side and 10.4 centimeters from the tip side. The overall length is 20.3 centimeters for the Signo version and 19.8 centimeters for the Impact RT version. The mass for the Signo version is 15.7 grams, while the mass for the Impact RT version is 16 grams. Here are the tools you will need. Let's get started. Take your super tip and remove the cap and the tip. Now take your pliers and remove the backplug. Loosen up your backplug by wiggling your pliers and rotating the barrel. Empty the contents of the barrel. Remove the logo using some rubbing alcohol. You can also use an eraser to remove any of the tough spots around the edges. Now take your Keityos or color twins and remove the caps. Take your Playcolor and remove the back tip and the back plug. Take your back plug and put it in the super tip body. Take your color twin caps and put them on the body. Take your Dr. Grips and remove the grips. Take your Dr. Grips and cut 2 centimeters from the front side. Take your old Sarasa and remove the grip. Now take your Sarasa grip and cut it in half. Take your Signos and remove the tips. Now take your Sarasa grips and put them on the caps with the cut side facing outwards. Take your Signo tips and screw them into the caps. Check to make sure that your tips don't fall out. Take your Dr. Grip grips and put them on the caps. And there you go. That's how you make a Motsuun pen in 2 minutes.